Hi guys! So today we're going to talk a little bit about all of our Seattle and Portland limited edition items that we're going to bring on tour. We went with the cafe theme as usual. It's super cute, super Portlandy, super Seattle vibes. So we're going to talk today a little bit more about allergic reactions and what ways you can use to decrease the probability of them happening and what to do so if they do happen. And then we're going to talk about some of the products that you guys can use in order to help with those situations. So first and foremost, tip and trick that a lot of people have started to like to use is they like to put Bonder on the lashes after they finish, and then they go ahead and wash the lashes. So this is our Pocky Bonder. This one is cookies and cream, and they're just super cute. We have it in chocolate and honey scented, and you can go ahead and put this on the lashes after 2 minutes after, let it dry for 2 minutes, and then you can go ahead and do a full-on lash bath. When it comes to lash baths, we have our concentrates here, which are extra large, so they do make up to 16 foam pump bottles. And we have delicious scents of vanilla, milk, and honey flavor. And again, this can be used right after you super bond. Wait 2 minutes, then go ahead and do a full wash, and that will decrease the fumes that are coming from the glue. So that's another great trick to make sure that they aren't irritated after. If your clients are someone that has red eyes when they're done with their lash set, definitely try these out. It just decreases the fumes a lot, so it helps with that. Another tip and trick, as you guys know, one of our favorite products is our anti-allergy gel. We have these super cute Starbucks inspired Bear Bucks anti-allergy gels. They come in the caramel, the matcha, and the coffee scents. And we talk about these a lot, but you know, they really have become a bestseller for us, and so many people says it's essential in their workspace in order to save for those situations where clients are really sensitive to the glue or the fumes or to any lint items like gel pads, tape. So these guys can be used in a multitude of different ways. We have a lot of videos about them, but we would say most popular is just having it open, laid out next to your area, or having it placed actually on the lid and on their bottom lid and up top lid, or putting it in a glue ring that it's going to be right next to your actual glue ring with glue in it, so that it just gets those fumes right where they are. So absolutely adorable. We love these guys, and these are our limited edition scents, so make sure you grab them on the tour. Whatever we have left over, we will put up online for you online girlies too, but usually we don't have too much, so definitely give those a go if you haven't yet. Another thing that we kind of wanted to talk about is the different kind of allergic reactions. So one that we kind of already talked about is when it's more of just an irritation and their eyes are just red, and a tip and trick that works with that is obviously the Bonder and the shampoo. If they are really allergic, then we would recommend, to be honest, them not having lashes, but if they didn't know that beforehand and they get an allergic reaction, we would recommend maybe doing a removal for them, having them go see the doctor in order to get prescription medication or suggestion from the doctor on whether or not they should be getting lash extensions. So real quick, our removers that we have on the tour is going to be our vanilla, our chocolate, and our coffee flavors. These are super yummy, super cute. Again, we have a whole cafe theme. So this girl's a little bakery girl. And these removers work great. They're super fast. All of our removers are pretty gentle, so they don't irritate the eye and they don't get in the eye and stay in the eye for too long. This one is a cream one for this collection. So we really like cream for different reasons, but we do like how it just sits on the lashes. It doesn't get in. Might be a little bit safer to go with the cream remover if it's an irritated client versus a gel remover, because that's more chances that it might leak into the eyes. So definitely go ahead and go with a removal, probably if they have a full-on allergic reaction, and obviously give that complimentary as well, because they couldn't have predicted it and you couldn't either. So another allergic reaction that you want to take a look for is ones where it's more sensitivity to the lint items, which is our gel pads, our tape. We do have lint-free wipes, lint-free gel pads, which would be the hypoallergenic gel pads that we have. They have no lint in them. And we have sensitive tape, which you guys all know. These also don't have any lint in them. So again, you want to use just items that are lint free in order to make sure that they aren't having that sensitivity to it. You can always use a sensitive glue as well. Our sensitive glue is super popular. It works really well. It's a little bit on the slower drying side, but that's what it has to be in order to be a little bit more sensitive. So definitely give that a go as well. Sensitive glue can work. We would definitely say that if they are experiencing a reaction that is where their eyes are swollen and there's redness on the actual lid, that is when you should have them go to the doctors. If it's more of redness in the eyes, then that's probably an irritation, but an allergic reaction where they're swelling, where the lid is swollen and red, that's something you definitely want to make sure that they go to the doctors for. Last but not least, we want to talk about a patch test, which you can do to prevent allergies. Patch tests are super simple. You just go ahead and have them come in. You set them up all normal. You just put small lengths at the end of their eyes, maybe something like 8 or 9 millimeters, and just 2 to 3 fans. Let it sit on their eye for 24 to 48 hours, and then whether or not they have a reaction, you can take them in and do a full set on them, and the deposit would obviously go towards the full set appointment. But if they do have a reaction, then the deposit might be lost, just because it did take time out for them to come in and for them to get that patch test. So yeah, again, we would definitely recommend, if you guys have a client that has a full-on allergic reaction, complimentary removals would be great. It does take some of your time, but you know, you want to give them the best service possible, even if lash extensions aren't for them. And again, we hope you guys enjoy our Seattle and Washington products. This isn't everything, but it's just some items that pertain to allergic reactions and decreasing sensitivity. And yeah, definitely keep an eye out. We'll have lots of content coming on the items. We have more, like I said, too, and whatever we don't sell out in person on our tour, we'll have online. So get your carts ready and know what you want. These are just some of them. We hope you enjoyed this video. We hope it helped a little bit and you enjoyed seeing a little bit more of our special items and what they can do. And we will see you guys next time. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what other kind of content you would like to see from us. And that's all for today. Bye, guys.